A medium-sized eagle with 50 to 74 cm in length, 420 to 180 gram in weight, and wingspan 109 to 170 cm, with dark brown stocky eagle, rounded wings and a short tail. Its short black and white fan-shaped knuckle crest gives a thick-necked appearance. The bare facial skin and feet are yellow. The underside is spotted with white and yellowish brown. When perched, the wing tips do not reach until the tail tip. In soaring flight, the broad and paddle-shaped wings are held in a shallow V. The tail and underside of the flight feather are black with broader white bars. Young bird shows a lot of white on the head. The tarsus is under feather and covered by hexagon scales. The upper mandible does not have an overhanging festoon on the tip. The bird found across Indian subcontinent, South Asia and East Asia in forest tropical habitats. The crested serpent eagle, as its English name suggested, is a specialist reptile eater which hunt over forest, often close to wet grassland, for snakes and lizards. They also pick up dead snakes as carrion, also few small mammals, and rarely birds. They are not danger to game birds or poultry. All prey is taken on the ground. Most of the prey is taken from perches and seized on the ground. It is found mainly over area with thick vegetation, both on low hills and the plains. This species is a resident species, but in some part of their range, they are found only in summer. The breeding season begins in late winter when they start courting and establishing territories. The eggs are laid in early summer. Old nests are often refurbished and reused. A study found that most nests were built along riverine trees. The nest is a large platform built high on a tree. Both birds in a pair build the nest, but the female alone incubate the eggs. The male guards when the female forges. The egg hatches around 33 to 41 days and the young fledges after about 2 months. This eagle is not globally threatened and falls under least concerned species. Thank you for watching the videos.